you for purchasing the iEscalate 520, your ultimate escalator cleaning solution. This video will guide you through the regular maintenance steps to keep your machine running smoothly. There are 4 main areas to focus on during your iEscalate 520 maintenance: brake system, clean water system, brushes and nozzles, wastewater system. Let's take a closer look at each area. Brake system. After applying the brake at the edge of the ramp, gently rock the iEscalate 520 back and forth. If the front wheels slide, move the iEscalate 520 to a flat surface. Locate the brake adjustment knob at the back of the machine, next to the wastewater outlet hose. Turn the knob counterclockwise until the wheels stop slipping. Clean water system. Dismantle the filter mesh for cleaning. Turn the transparent filter cap counterclockwise to remove both the filter cap and filter mesh together. Take out the filter mesh and rinse it under running water. Brushes and nozzles. Locate the yellow brush release lever on the side of the machine. Pull the lever to release the brush securing pins. With the pins released, slide the brush out of the brush guard. Repeat this process for the second brush. Wash the brushes under running water and add cleaning solution to remove stubborn dirt and grime. Unscrew the nozzles by turning them counterclockwise. Then rinse them under running water. Wastewater system. Dismantle the top lid by unplugging the 2 tubes. Rinse the top lid under running water. We hope this video helps you maintain your iEscalate 520. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at iTeam Global.